Good day, everyone. This is Sir June, your math teacher for today. So our lesson for today, class, will be all about division by one-digit numbers and by 10. So before we'll start our discussion, class, I will tell you first the learning outcomes of our lesson today. So the first one here is students should know how to divide four-digit whole numbers by one-digit numbers. Students should also know how to divide whole numbers by 10. And students should know also how to estimate quotients and solve word problems. In this slide, class, we'll be learning here on how to divide four-digit whole numbers by one-digit numbers. So there is a problem here, and I will be using this one for my discussion. And here is the problem. Divide 4,206 by 3. So there are four steps to follow, class, for us to find the quotient. So the first one is, let us divide the thousands by 3. So here, 4 divided by 3 equals 1. So when we go down, class, we'll use multiplication. So 1 times 3 equals 3. And we will use subtraction here. 4 minus 3 equals 1. And after that one, class, we'll go now step 2. So for step 2, divide the hundreds by 3. Then we're going to bring down the 2 here. So it's already 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Then 4 times 3 equals 12. Step 3, class, is let us divide the tens by 3. So 12 minus 12, class, is 0. So you don't need to put there 0. So what you will do is to bring down the next number, which is the 0. 0 divided by 3 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. And let us now proceed on the step 4, class. So here is now the step 4. So let us divide the ones by 3. So now let's bring down the 6. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Then let's minus now. 6 minus 6 equals 0. So when 4,206 divided by 3, class, the quotient there is 1,402. So in this slide, class, we'll be learning here on how to divide whole numbers by 10. So I have here two problems. So first one is divide 40 by 10, and the other problem is divide 400 by 10. So there is a technique here, class, in dividing numbers with zeros. So what you will do is just to cancel. When you cancel, class, make sure that you cancel both sides, the dividend and the divisor. So you have your 0 in your divisor, you cancel that, and you have your 0 also in your dividend, you cancel both. And then what you will do is just to divide the non-zero digits. So the 4 and the 1. So 4 divided by 1 equals 4. So the final answer, class, is 4. So don't mind anymore the 0 that you canceled. So your final answer is 4. And let's proceed now, letter B. So let's divide now 400 by 10. So as you see here, class, below, the zeros highlighted with color red. So let's ignore that or cancel. So cancel the 0 there. Ignore also the 0 here on the dividend. So we have here the 4. And the 4 divided by 1 equals 4. And that 0, just copy that. So your final quotient here, class, is a 40. Okay, so we're now on estimating quotients. So we'll be learning here, class, on how to estimate quotients. So always remember, class, that when we estimate quotient, we'll just round the divisor, and then after rounding the divisor, we'll find the multiple of this, multiples, and the multiples of the divisor. Make sure that this is the closest multiple to our dividend, and that will be our dividend. So as you see here, since we have only one digit divisor, so which is the 6, so you don't need to round off your 6. You only round off if your divisor composed of 2 digits, 3 or more. So as you see there, so you need to find the multiple, the closest multiple of 6 to your original dividend was 3,840. So the multiple there closest to the given dividend is 3,600. So that will be our dividend now. Then again, after doing that, we're going to divide now 3,600 divided by 6. The answer is 600. So 3,600 divided by 6 equals 600. This slide we'll be learning here on how to solve word problems. So there is a problem here, class. We'll be using this for our discussion. Now, Mr. Peters had 1,455 buttons. He packed all the buttons equally into 3 bags. How many buttons were there in each bag? So there is a bar model here, and 3 units equals to 1,455. So since there are 3 units here, 1, 2, 3, meaning to say we're going to divide the 1,455 to 3, and the quotient there is 485. So there were 485 rather buttons in each bag. So the final answer is uh, there. But we're going to estimate, class, for in finding the answer. So now here 1,455 divided by 3. So let's find out the multiple of 3 closest to the given dividend, was 1,455. So the 500 now is the answer for 1,503, since 1,500 is the closest multiple for 1,455. So our answer, class, is reasonable. So that's all for today, class. I hope that you learned for this video tutorial. So thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. God bless. Bye.